Hello everybody, I'm Lloyd Thompson at Bell Camper Sales, Bartlesville and Dewey, Highway 75 North at the Bell RV Ranch here in the north side of town. And would like to feature today the Classic. It's called a 130 RB or rear bathroom. It's been a classic for years. It's built like the trailers were years ago. Just a simple trailer, but it has virtually everything inside of it so that you can go camping. You don't have a lot of weight. Only about 2,200 pounds. It has a real wood deck. It has a solid one-piece aluminum roof on this little 13-foot Classic. Measures about 15 foot overall. Very, very unique little trailer. Here we have a sofa on the side and also a large dinette, larger than most dinettes. Makes a nice, almost a full bed. That sits down, and of course you have the table also. The table's removable. You can take it outside. Lots of storage, air conditioner, heater, has a refrigerator built into the unit. It has lots of storage underneath the sink and the stove top. It has the convenient microwave, more storage above. So if you need something really light, really inexpensive, you should come to Bell Camper Sales and take advantage of looking at this super light 130 RB Sportsman Classic 2021. Just arrived. It's hard to get a lot of them in stock, so if you're wanting one, come quickly. It'd be a great Christmas gift, or of course all year long, to camp in for other outings and things. Here we have the bathroom. The bathroom has a step-in shower pan. It also has the foot flush toilet in here. LED lights, electric awning. Can't beat it. Can't beat this price. Under 20,000 bucks. Have a full-fledged small travel trailer here at Bell Camper Sales, Bartlesville and Dewey, Highway 79. Come and see us and take a look at all the RVs we have to offer. Thank you very much.